Let's talk about fever in babies. Fever is actually an emergency when it comes to babies. So when you're noticing that your baby is having fever, do not go to any chemist, do not go to any pharmacy. Just run to the hospital immediately. I know that the tradition we have here is that once a baby is running fever, you just conclude say na body dey hot, you go to one pharmacy or one chemist and buy paracetamol and give to your baby. No, this is a wrong practice. If you notice your baby is having fever, run to the hospital immediately. It has become a common practice that once your baby is having fever, you just conclude that it's paracetamol. No, it's an emergency and should be treated as emergency. So I'm bringing to your notice today that if your baby is having malaria, treat it as emergency. Run to the hospital immediately, because if you don't treat it immediately, it might result to some other thing. It could be convulsion, and you might lose your baby at the end of the day, because these children, they cannot talk, so you don't know if it's malaria that is doing them. You don't know whether it's pneumonia, that is if cold has entered their lungs. You don't know. You just conclude that every fever is something you should joke with. So as you've heard this today, make sure you adhere to this teaching and instruction. Once you notice fever in your baby, run to the hospital and administer the treatment. Let the doctors, the practitioner there, tell you what to do. Thank you. Shalom.